Hey, I'm Nick from Dorman Products, and today I want to show you some of the turbocharger accessories we make for the Ford 6.7 liter engine. Specifically, the related parts within the forced induction system of this popular power stroke engine that can contribute to turbocharger failure. The big diesel power unit for Fomoco's 3/4 and 1 ton trucks is being used by all manner of contractors, tradesmen, landscapers when a full-size truck is needed to get the job done. From tugging RVs recreationally to plowing snowy lots, the Power Stroke is asked to work hard by anyone who owns one. In a diesel, the oil faces much tougher conditions than it would in a comparable gas engine. Severe duty plus compromised lubricant can spell the end for many a turbo. If you have a customer needing a new one, you'll naturally want to replace a few other items while you're in there so the new turbo lives a long life. That's where Dorman comes in. We offer an install kit with clamps, gaskets, and seals that remove some of the stress of holding up a repair of a work truck with a forgotten low-dollar part. We've got some parts like oil and coolant feed and return lines which can be corroded from the inside or outside and in many cases have contributed to the failure of the turbocharger unit itself. Look to Dorman for the turbo up pipe and down pipe for this application, as well as the V-band clamps that hold them in place. And don't forget about our OE Fix cold side intercooler pipe too. This replaces the factory plastic part that's known to collapse with a beefy stainless steel unit. We hope you keep our turbo installation components in mind when you're pricing out a job for a customer who needs one replaced. Even if you're not installing a Dorman turbo, we can still help you prevent customer comebacks when you're working on one of these Ford engines often asked to serve, survive, and even thrive in extreme circumstances. And remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman technical support team is always available to help. Thanks for checking out our video on turbo components. I'm Nick, and I'll see you next time.